In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and replace your hard drive. For this, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver. It's recommended that you do not use a drill or a powered screwdriver. It will make it too easy to strip the heads on the screws. Step 1, we're going to make sure that the DVR is off and disconnected from power. Step 2, find the 6 screws, 1 on each side and 4 on the back, that we're going to remove. I'm going to fast forward the video to the port after I have removed the screws. Step 3, we're going to expose the hard drive. And remove the 2 data connections. To remove the data connections, press down on the silver tab and pull. Step 5, we're going to loosen the screws on the bottom of the DVR. Once loosened, you can slide the hard drive out and we'll be able to take the screws off and replace the hard drive. Push the hard drive towards the bottom of the DVR, slide out. Step 6, we're just going to switch the screws over from the old hard drive to the new hard drive. You can just do this with your hand. When putting the screws on the new hard drive, only turn them in 1 or 2 twists. Now we're going to slide the hard drive back into place with the connections facing the same directions as they were before. Simply let it sit and then push it back. Put it up on its side and then tighten down the screws. Reattach the data connections. Be aware that there is a portion of the connection that has a tab that you need to line up. Just slides right in. Reattach our top. To reattach the top, you just start with an upward position, push forward, and then slide down. You can reconnect your screws, and the next step will be formatting your hard drive.
This is a video demonstrating how to format the hard drive inside of your DVR. The first step in this process is to right-click on the main screen and scroll down to Main Menu. Enter your username and password. For the username 6/8, the password is also 6/8, so that's 888-888. Select Enter and OK. Select the Advanced icon in the bottom left corner. Select HDD Manage, which is Hard Drive Device Manage. Select the hard drive you wish to format. Set to Format, press Execute and OK. After the hard drive is done formatting, we're going to scroll down to OK, and it says settings will be applied after program restarts. Restart now, select OK.